Hello there. I usually don't upload to this channel, or at all, because I don't really have a YouTube channel. But I wanted to test out some things with the Screencast-O-Matic and see how well it was. So this is just like a little test. Uh, if enough people actually somehow want to watch this stuff, then I'll upload more regularly. But essentially, we're going to be playing the Pokemon TCG Online. I got myself a Cinderace VMAX deck that I made. Well, I didn't make it myself. I saw someone else make a tutorial video on making a deck based on it. So hey, if that guy happens to see this video, I don't remember his name. It's been a while. But if you see it, shout out. Made a great deck. I like it. Let's play with it a little bit. Once again, I doubt you'll see this because I'm like the smallest YouTuber around. I don't have any real subscribers. And I also haven't uploaded in years. Alright, looks like we're about to get our first deck. Looks like we're fighting another fire deck. It's got the Charizard coin. Oh, he's saying hello to us. I never like to go first because I have Volcanion in this deck. And if I draw into it, I would like to use it so I can get more fire energy on faster. For those of you who don't know, the Volcanion card that I have will, if you go second, you can put 3 fire energies on a Pokemon. That's pretty useful. It's, oh god, he's got Charmander. I think I know the Charizard deck he's using. Is this a Leon one? The most annoying one I come up against is the Phalanx deck. It's just fucking impossible to beat. At least with this deck, I tried. Let's see what I get for Jirachi. Stellar Wish. Giant Hearth isn't too helpful right now. Sorry about the dogs. Quick Ball. Alright. Probably blasphemy to be throwing away one of my welders, but I have 2, so I'm going to take that, get Cinderace Fee out. Now we can use Welder. Why, thank you. You also have a good deck. You know I haven't seen most of the cards yet. Actually, I think I can end it right now. It's usually not that easy. Alright, so riveting, I know. I was gonna do just one match, but that was a little too easy. So let's get another one in. Oh, I've never seen that deck box before. I don't think I've ever come up against mega cards. Like this this year was the first time I got into the Pokemon card games, so there's a lot of cards I have yet to see. Nice, we get a Mulligan. I also, I have this deck physically as well as online. The only thing I'm missing in both is I would have wanted a Dedenne instead of Professor's Research that I have right here, because it won't use up my turn. I used to have Durant in this deck for searching for food, but then people would constantly make me shuffle my hand, and I didn't like that. That's when I took it personally. That's when I took it personally. Let's see if Jirachi gives us anything good. Nothing in particular. At least with the skateboard, we can swap out and use my other Jirachi and see if we can't get anything good out of that. Alright, Jirachi. Swapping out for a better Jirachi, hopefully. Are you better? I guess that's alright. Not playing it this turn because he's just gonna get rid of it. Oh crap, I forgot to attach energy. Let's see. Oh yeah, and also since he looks like he's using a fire deck, if I had put it out, he would have taken advantage of it too. Oh great. I hate cards that make you shuffle your entire hand. I really hate them. I should have played Giant Hearth after all. Alright. What do we got? It could be worse. It could be worse. Luckily I can at least do this. And get my VMAX back. I have the Rainbow one too. I remember I traded it for something that was, I forget what I traded it for, but I remember it being like a pretty small trade. Give me something good. Hmm. Well, we could be in a worse situation. Let's give him another target to attack. So that's just my Cinderace, because I know he's aiming that. Let's see, what is it? Psi Power at Cinderace because it looks like it's the biggest threat. Heatran's a freaking beast, especially when you get a lot of energy put on him. I could use Malalana. Actually, I don't have to discard if I'm just swapping. Come on, I need a new Giant Hearth. I already have Welder. I also already have Jirachis, but can I still retreat? Yes. I don't know if it would let me do it again with this one, because I already used it with this one. I'm not too sure on that one. Let's see. I guess let's get another Acrobike. Let's see what we get. Fuck it. Oh. Excuse my language. Let's see. Do I want to use it now, or should I save it for next turn in case I get another fire energy, and then I can use Welder? Yeah, let's save it, because then I can use it with Welder next turn even if I don't draw into a new fire energy. Just building up them Charmanders. Oh, you can hit multiple? Oh, any way you like. Alright. Hey. Net gain it too. I have fire crystals, so I'm not too distraught with discarding fire energy. And this is the beginning of the end for my opponent. Let's see. Yes, perfect. Now, I could swap right into Cinderace, but let's see if we can't get anything good with the Jirachi, who I can use a skateboard with. Yeah, nothing particularly good. I guess let's go Tool Scrapper just in case. And now the Pyro Ball Smackdown begins. I can only record 15 minutes total, so I do hope this ends soon. With the recording software that I'm using. Ah. Ah, they got Charizard out. Ow! Yeah, they built that Charizard out. I've seen this one before. I have the deck for it, too. They had to have a rare candy, didn't they? Oy vey. Oh, and I pretty much helped them with the Giant Earth, too. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. It's not looking very good for us. I got a new skateboard we can attach to another Jirachi. Let's attach the Fire Energy to Heatran. Stellar Wish. All I can get is another Giant Earth. Hooray. I think you can only use one skateboard, but I'm not sure. Let's find out. Yes, Welder. Perfect. Yep, you can only use the skateboard to skip once. Let's see what we can do here. Let's get back one of our welders. Let's put Cinderace here. Great, looks like I'm not going to be able to finish this recording. Alright, so I paused by accident there, but so I only have like 40 seconds recording left, so I'm going to pause it here, and you guys are going to get a real sudden jump cut to the end of the game. Sorry. So I believe he's about to finish me off in a second here with... he has all the build-up he needs. So, yeah, that can be the problem with running decks with these powerful VMAXs, is that, and the GXs, they take much more prize cards than you take if they're running a deck like this. I know, real janky editing. GG's. That was a good game.